The power rear gate is a very helpful feature for Forester owners, loading or unloading the cargo area with their shopping bags, camping gear, or lifestyle accessories. Hands-free operation is very helpful when you're carrying bulky items. Forester has a kick-to-open hands-free rear gate. First, make sure the PRG hands-free button on the lower left dashboard is in the active position. That is, the button is out and not pushed in. With the ignition off and the key fob in your pocket or bag, walk up to the rear gate and make a kicking motion under the center of the rear bumper. The sensors that detect your kicking motion cover an area of about 4 inches below the center of the bumper and about 16 inches wide. So be sure to aim for that spot, kicking in and out for about a second. If you use the same kicking motion while the rear gate is opening, it will stop. If you do it while the rear gate is closing, it will open up again. Owners should cancel hands-free operation by pushing the dashboard button in when washing the vehicle by hand or in a car wash, or when removing snow from the rear gate. And if an accessory trailer hitch is installed on a Forester, this hands-free feature will be permanently deactivated since the kick sensor and the hitch are unable to share the same space.